Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And here behind me, I have two vehicles here to show you guys. This would be a great video for winter coming around the corner. So for example, like here we are with the 2020 Honda Civic. As you can see, some people like to have their wipers off the windshield because you don't want those to freeze on there. So like when I get to work or maybe I have the car parked outside, I want to pull those right up so when I come out they're not frozen onto the windshield. But the problem is though, when you get into these newer models, like right here, a 2022 or newer Civic, maybe thinking about like a 23 and newer CRV, then we're looking at newer cars around that point, the wipers are underneath the hood line. So as you grab these wipers, it's actually going to be bumping this hood right here. So the question is, Chris, is there a way with the wipers underneath the hood line I can bring those up and out and off that windshield? Yes, you can. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All right, guys, so here we are right inside the Honda Civic for now. First steps, make sure you have the key fob with you. It can be in your purse, pocket, jacket, just somewhere in the vehicle. The next step, we're going to put the vehicle into accessory mode, okay? So it's just like when you start up the vehicle, but you do not put your foot on the brake pedal. So you come find the push button start, no foot on the brake pedal. You tap it once, it gives you a little bit of radio action, so you can play around with the radio. If you tap it twice, it gives you more controls like your fan and some other electronics. So we're in accessory mode 2. We're going to give it a couple seconds. When you tap it a third time, it turns it right off. So that's step 2. Step 3 is find your wiper stick, pull it up to mist between 2 to 5 seconds. Boom, your wipers come right up, okay? Now, while the vehicle's off, because it's off right now, you can get out. You can lock up your door, come around, nicely grab your wipers. Just like that. Now you can see they're off the glass. So that's going to be nice and easy. So they're not going to be frozen to the windshield during this winter, or is it going to make it easy to clean down deep there as you clean the windshield, or even to replace these as you see fit. So pretty nice and easy. Once you're all done, about ready to hit the road, just nicely set those right back down, just like so. Get it into the vehicle, now unlocks. You get in here. Now you're going to turn on the vehicle, okay? So you have to put your foot down on the brake this time around. Obviously make sure you have the key fob with you, foot on the brake, hit the push button, vehicle's on, it's running now. And then you just tap it down, turn on your wipers, I took them right back to off, and then there we go. They're right back under the hood line. So as you get out here, you can see that. So when you come back and grab these, same thing again. Okay, so you got to repeat that from there. So there we go. These ones, they just come right down. No additional steps, the ones you're already used to.